Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time zone on GoCharting if you want your charts to match your local time or the market session you prefer to follow. Adjusting the time zone in GoCharting is a quick and helpful setting to know. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the Trading Hub all the way to applying your preferred time zone. To begin, head to the Trading Hub in GoCharting. This is where you can access the platform and open the charting interface. Make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, so all buttons and options are visible and responsive. Once you're on the Trading Hub page, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This will open the main GoCharting workspace where you can view charts and manage settings. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few moments for the chart interface to appear, so give it a second if needed. After the charting screen opens, look toward the bottom of the screen for the option labeled Set Time Zone. This control is used to adjust how time is displayed across the chart interface. It's especially useful if your current chart times don't line up with your local region or the exchange hours you want to monitor. Click on Set Time Zone to open the Time Zone selection menu. You should now see a list of available time zones. From here, click on your preferred time zone to select it. Take a moment to choose carefully, since this setting affects how time appears on the chart and can impact how you interpret candles, sessions, and market activity. If you're not sure which option to pick, choose the one that best matches your local time or your trading routine. For example, some users prefer to keep charts aligned with the exchange's time zone, while others prefer their own regional time for easier tracking throughout the day. Once you've selected the correct time zone, click on Set to confirm the change. This applies your new setting and updates the chart display accordingly. After that, your chart should reflect the newly selected time zone. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make chart reading much more intuitive and help you stay organized when reviewing market movements. And that's all it takes to change the time zone on GoCharting.